Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya Channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to restore deleted email in a Microsoft Outlook on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first here, you just have to open your Outlook, of course, and you have to make sure that you're already connected to the internet. And after, if you want to restore the deleted email, you just have to go to your account icon here at the top left in the corner. Now we'll see the option which is deleted option here guys. I'm gonna tap on it on this deleted, and we'll see this is the email that I have deleted before. If you want to restore it, you just have to tap and press for a second like this until it will be a checklist. And now at the top, we'll see here the move icon beside the trash icon guys. If you want to restore it, you just have to tap on it, and we'll see here the options which is the album. So from the deleted option, we will move this email, for example here, to the inbox guys. I'm gonna move it to the inbox to restore it. Now as you can see in this deleted page, there are no longer email because the deleted email I have restored before. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.